My most recent article, Fresh from the Farms into Cascading Bouquets, reflect the huge interest in connecting the growers to designers within our industry. Marketing our profession and an educated skill set is the most compelling and the most beautiful story, starting with how and where the flowers are grown to how they are arranged. This resonates with everyone, from us designers to the end consumers. Seeing flowers growing in the fields, selecting the beautiful blooms, and visualizing the bouquets is the process that any designer can get excited about. So, in this month's article, I wanted to produce 3 separate bouquets that both look and feel gardening, reflecting today's consumer values of both gardening and sustainable practices highlighted in this year's Trend Summit 2020 report. Knowing the sustainable fashion in which these flowers were grown made me very confident that I used product that will garner consumer confidence. Today, design style trends use key adjectives to describe the vibe: adventurous, curious, and authentic blending of materials, transparency, and handcrafted detailing. These were my focus while creating this month's article. The bouquet styling I followed reflects a romancing the garden, hand-grown, and hand-picked botanical blending, which resonates with consumers today. The addition of handcrafted armature helps shape the bouquet into a cascading style. The list of top trending flowers and greens from Trend Summit 2020 was also used to identify flowers which today's consumers are requesting, the favorites that are seen on social media. And as designers, frankly, we are also excited to use these beautiful flowers as well. For my September article, I created 3 hand-tied cascading bouquets using 3 distinctly different handmade structures that resulted in 3 different looks. Bouquet 1, Unexpected Guests. Bouquet 2, Inviting Handmade Details. Bouquet 3, Inspired by Structure. So for this month's flower selection, I felt compelled to visit and cut from local flower farms in full growing season. I visited friends at both Flower Fort and Charnwood Farms in the beautiful Fraser Valley of British Columbia. It's truly exciting to see the flowers on the plants, their growing habits, and their general personality in the field. The visual alone gets me so excited. It allows me to see opportunities you often miss when the flowers are already cut. Nature is our teacher, and you can learn so many lessons on the farm. To read this month's full article, please visit hitomigilliam.com/creativeedge. You'll be able to see all 3 finished bouquets and read the accompanying article for more insights, as well as a list of plant materials and supplies used to create each of the 3 pieces. Also, look for upcoming tutorial videos from this month's article right here on my YouTube channel. First, a quick tutorial on how to use fruiting branches in your own cascading bouquet structures, coming this Thursday, September the 3rd. Then watch my Hand-Woven Midollino Bindwire Strip tutorial on Saturday, September the 5th. This particular technique was used in this month's Inviting Handmade Details Bouquet. Back again this month is a limited number of signed 8x10 prints, each hand-numbered and signed. This month's print features my Inspired by Structure bouquet. Prints are available to order until September 18th and will ship the following week. If you enjoyed this month's article and today's video, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video and subscribing for future content. And if you're interested in supporting the channel even further, check out my newly launched Patreon page. There you'll find additional in-depth creative edge content and exciting new features like monthly virtual workshops, meetups, and much more.